We got the fountain going with all the rain. I'm gonna try to find the hidden Mickey here. Let's see. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where to be? Where to be?
Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
He showed me the hidden Mickey. Alright, it's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Super tiny. Aww. I absolutely love how they change this decor every single time. The My Best Friend collection. I'm a dog person, I'm a cat person. So cute. So I'm hoping to find something that was a big ticket item earlier in the week, and I'm kind of scared that they're not going to have it. I'm looking for the Beauty and the Beast Stitch. So just found out they sold out of it really fast, and I'm really bummed because I really wanted that one. That was the only one I wanted. They're coming out with the Lady and the Tramp one, but it's not that cute. The Beauty and the Beast one was really cute, you guys. So just gonna hang out, look around, try to stay dry, try to dry off because it's really wet outside. So here at the next to the exit at the World of Disney, they have all the Nightmare Before Christmas merch out. They got pins for $5. Jack and Sally, $0. Little Zero is my hero. That's cute. I don't know who the artist was that did Goofy like that, but that's just wrong. Hey, are you a YouTuber? What's your channel?
Yeah. Kiko Adventures, baby. Go check us out.
Look who we saw.
With my hands all full.
I know, right?
Yeah, dude, we all
That's
have
okay, we know it's still you.
Got his rain boots.
I got my rain boots. I'm prepared.
Look at, oh, that's a cute sweat.
Dude.
Look at you.
Bam.
So you ready for the weather?
Book me for your next modeling show.
Yeah. So they got all the...
Ooh, this is cool, Papa.
I know, they had that over there. Juanito wanted me to get it.
I hadn't seen these.
I didn't like it. Still got a bunch of stuff. Similar items from the other stores. Hi.
Are they still giving out the AP magnets?
Came to check out
I know some
the
people are
home
trying to rush
store.
here during the week to try to get them, but
Look at the little corn on the cob holders. Super cute. We got the new mugs. Yeah, I know, I've seen those before. No, I wasn't big on them. Look, because they have all the Toy Story ones too. Oh, oh, this is where they sell the sign.
yeah, but that sign is nice.
Yeah.
That's a pretty big Jeep.
Are you serious right now? Oh my god. So cute. It's been forever since we've been in here.
I know, I haven't been in here and we haven't really come in here.
That's cute. That's hecka cute. Did you see it, Kiko? It's a rose spatula. Oh! Did I get that one?
I don't know. It's 25.
Oh.
I don't know if it lights. It says it lights up. It's pretty cool.
So I was actually looking at this online. I didn't realize how small it is. Look at this. It fits in my hand. That's kind of pricey for that size. Wow. And they have a little succulent holder. I also thought it was bigger from just viewing it online. Oh, that's cool. It is.
tips over.
It leans forward. That's probably why they have it towards the back.
But he's a roll for that traffic, like he has to make a point. He does, like you know there's an accident or whatever. You do that.
So this is definitely the time for those dog owners and cat owners, but mainly dog owners. I miss having a doggy. Super cute. Look at this. How adorable is that? Oh my goodness. Super, super cute. No more sprinkles at Downtown Disney. They closed this location for good. First time in Marceline's.
You ready? I'm
Excited.
It's waterproof. Both of y'all.
Okay, go. Juanito's gonna make it rain. You didn't make it rain that much.
Make it rain, Juanito. Thank you. Enjoy shopping.
So good. It smells delicious in here. Oh, these are cute. I like it. That's cute. Oh, you don't have any of the sorcerer? We were waiting to get that here. Aw. Okay.
Hold on, man.
Did you guys receive your magnet already?
No, I have not.
Oh, gotcha.
And check out the loot I got, you guys. Woo-wee. Thank you so much. Woo, yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I mean, you are good at doing that.
I know, right? Look at how adorable these bags are. So cute. In case you forget your mask, they sell them here now. They got a little dispenser for kids size and adult size. It is 1:48 in the afternoon. Absolutely no line at all. We were fourth in line from the harbor side and in the pouring rain. So yeah, I mean, glad we had umbrellas and we were able to come in and just enjoy some of our afternoon. Thank you for visiting. Hope to see you real soon. It's so empty.
It is. Doesn't it
It's
feel
so
like we have
sad.
it to ourselves?
It does.
No, but that's, I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, for us, we came here to shop. Mission accomplished. It's okay that there's not a lot of people. That just makes it easier for us to do our thing.
Well, I was saying it's sad as
As
a reminder that the parks are closed.
Yes, that is true.
So,
But we are hungry. You can't eat at Downtown Disney, so we got to go get something to eat. Not sure what that is yet.
so then that just forces us to go to Knott's Berry Farm and eat there.
Oh, darn.
So, just a little insider tip. The Anaheim Hotel on the corner of Disney Way and Harbor Boulevard. They do have public parking, regularly $25. They had a coupon for $10 parking online. It actually expired December 31st,
2020.
but they are still honoring that coupon price. So if you Google Anaheim Hotel parking coupon and print it out, they will honor that $10 parking pass for you. So that way you don't have to do the hassle of the Simba parking lot. And this is also another way to help support local businesses, seeing as how you're gonna go shopping at Downtown Disney. So, well, that's it from Carla and Kiko Adventures and our cousin Juanito. Thank you so much for joining us for another vlog and another adventure in Downtown Disney and Buena Vista Street at DCA. Please make sure, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel,
Hit that bell.
turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when we have new content out.
And live stream.
And live stream like Juanito is right now.
Yes. Inception.
Thanks for catching another vlog, you guys.
No, I don't know what I'm doing.
We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.
Bye.